The International Wildlife Biology course at USW is a 3-year undergraduate course accredited by the Royal Society of Biology. The key modules include professional skills and practice, wildlife biology, which includes a residential field trip to South Africa, tropical ecology, conservation genetics, and of course a 3rd-year research project, which covers the final major work produced by a student on this course.
So my favourite modules so far, one was called Conservation Genetics, and the 3rd-year module is Global Ecological Challenges, and that focuses on current issues around the world and how you put in practical solutions to help resolve those issues.
So students of the course have access to modern technological and laboratory facilities for wet and dry skills.
I really like the science facilities. We've got numerous amounts of labs, plenty of computer labs, software.
So fieldwork is integral to our course. Students have the opportunity to do national and international fieldwork. For example, in the 1st year, there's a 4-week residential field trip to South Africa. In the 2nd year, there's an optional residential field trip to Mexico for tropical ecology. In addition to those international experiences, we have field trips to local nature reserves and locations. We have relatively small cohorts compared to much larger universities, but that means that students get a lot more one-on-one time. We get to know each other, and that means we can really support individual students in being their best selves.
I have needed a little bit of extra support, and the lecturers are always answering their emails really quickly, and they've all been extremely supportive.
The course and the staff are linked to a wide variety of organisations which directly or indirectly benefit the students. These include Operation Wallacea, Salati Game Reserve, the Slovakia Wildlife Society, Ongaba Research Centre in Namibia, Brecon Beacons National Park, the RSPB, the BTO, I could go on. So graduates of this course really can end up anywhere. For example, one of our former students is currently managing a number of parks in South Africa. Another student has completed a PhD and is now an academic. Other students work in ecological consultancy. Others go on to other non-ecological jobs. Basically, the skills students accrue through this course are applicable to a wide variety of professions, whether that's wildlife biology, ecology, or something completely different.